only at Extreme Hyundai and Mike Miller Hyundai today.
Welcome back. A pretty crummy day.
Pretty crummy day.
People don't believe us that it's about to take a turn.
It's understandable, though, if you look outside, and especially over the last few hours prior to now, you know, when everything's freezing up, it was a crummy day, and it's about to get a lot worse. Let's go ahead and look at our tower camera now. The Upstream Auto Group Skywatch Camera Network. We thank the Upstream Auto Mall for these great shots. Downtown Peoria, things are moving along very nicely, just a few cars, and that's what I like to see, and I'm very happy to see. Let's keep it that way. We'll quickly head to the shops at Grand Prairie, our Great Escape, North Peoria Tower Cam. Things also very quiet, just a couple of cars moving slowly, thankfully, and carefully, and that's what we're going to need to do here over the next 24 hours as this major winter storm approaches the area, and it's going to arrive sometime around 2, 3 o'clock. Already the snow and the blowing snow is affecting areas of eastern Iowa. I saw a report out of Charles City, wind gusts to 44 miles an hour and snow falling. So that's what we have to look forward to. So slick spots on the road, snow and wind after 1 o'clock, visibility near zero, at times visibility of zero. You won't be able to see past your windshield. That's why we don't want you to travel if you can avoid it during the day on Sunday. Temperature is 20 degrees here in Peoria, Bloomington now 22. So both areas well below freezing, and the winds are picking up west at 13 in Bloomington, wind chill 10 above zero, and the pressure 29.57, an indication of the intensity of the winter storm approaching the area. And now you can see now Galesburg, we're down to 19, Kewanee 22, Henry 22, LaSalle County, one of the few counties not under a blizzard warning right now, but you're under a winter storm warning. So you're not really getting off easy there. And here's the wind speed. You can just see counterclockwise flow well out ahead of the storm, indicating that we have plenty of storm to go. Now, a satellite and radar shot, so just about 10:05, show that lull that's exiting the area now to the east, and this is what we have to expect. Watches and warnings, blizzard warnings in effect for everybody watching, except for a few counties in the extreme northeastern parts of the viewing area. The lull is just about over. There's the wind and the snow already moving into eastern Iowa, and there's a look at the extent of this entire event. You can see severe weather and tornado watches and warnings down here to our south in Mississippi and parts of Alabama. We have blizzard and winter storm warnings, so a massive winter storm affecting a large chunk of real estate here across the eastern half of the country. And there's a look at the wind chills in the single digits already across a wide area. And there's just a general look at the expanse of the storm and the intensity of it. You can see very quickly, I moved past that map, we're running out of time here, but what I want to tell you is that we have a blizzard warning in effect through 3 o'clock. The wind and the snow is going to increase here all day on Sunday. Blizzard warnings, snow and blowing snow, 18 to 21 degrees, and north-northwest winds very high and producing dangerous visibility. There's a look at our 7-day forecast, 18 and blizzard conditions all day Sunday. The stores and the malls and everything are going to be there Monday morning, so if you can, avoid it tomorrow. Just stay home in the warm air.
All right, thanks, Chris. We'll have more news coming up after a break.